Hi guys, welcome back. This is new. So I was just gonna make a flight, do the thing, and then, I realized that this is really new. So, here we go then. This is new. Let's do this. What do we, alright, guessing there's obviously new. Oh, there's not actually. What do I usually wear? I think I usually wear this, don't I? And I've always got the gold pin in the neon green suitcase. Alright, let's go. So, I have not played in a long time. I have not played since the last upload of this game, obviously. And I have just come back, and there is so much new stuff. So I splashed all my cash on getting the first class seat upgrades, which, Jesus Christ. So we have nothing else pretty much. Apart from the economy seat upgrades, but business is still the same as last I uploaded. But oh my god, like these, oh my, jeez. Oh wait, you actually hold this thing now. You hold the phone now. That's pretty cool. Yeah, this, oh my, wow. That is all I'm going to say. Wow. Alright, I guess let's just get to sorting all of this out. By the way, as of the time that I'm recording this, we have a video on the Wild West uploading. I'm glad we get an amenity kit. See? This is how good of an airline I am. My own custom livery for the plane. It's not published though, so it looks disgusting. In other words, what is that noise? Alright then. I guess we just keep. I mean, like, I know the flight attendants will do this for me, but I mean, like, it just makes it a lot quicker.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Oh god, okay, thank you. Just glad that I'm not stuck in the ceiling. Right, first of all, we close the cockpit door. Don't want any terrorists on board, do we? To get into the cockpit. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. So, I guess I'll just run. Yeah, if you're interested, if you just like me playing video games, then yeah, go ahead and check out the Wild West video. Or if you happen to additionally like the Wild West, then go ahead, because it's about all the new skill grinding strategies, by the way. And yeah, I mean, obviously by a popular vote with all the 18k views, which is a lot for me, we are back in CC. CCS, I guess. Right, so what do I need to do? Don't worry, if I miss an overhead bin, my servants will do it for me. Is this door? No, it's not. Okay. So here it is. What do we want, guys? What do we want? Let's have some green. No, that's ugly. Let's get some blue. No, like dark blue. Yeah. Well, that's really horrible. Let's get some purple. That's calming, actually. We're not going to play any music. What do you mean door's not? When was that open? Yeah, we'll push back. Safety and fair.
Now we request your full attention to flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft. With the seatbelts on illuminates, you must fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle.
Wait, that's actually
Suggest
cool.
that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight as you may experience
Actually, like
turbulence.
added engine
There are
starts
seven
up sound
emergency
effects.
exits from this aircraft. Please take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your
That's
nearest
really
exit
cool,
may
actually.
be behind you. If we need to
I
evacuate
really
the
do like what
aircraft,
they've done with
floor
this game,
level
actually.
lighting
I
will
might start
guide you
actually
towards
playing it
the
more.
exit. Doors can be opened by moving the hands with the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide which may
By the way, if
attached to
you weren't
the
paying
slide
attention,
bar.
we have
Oxygen in the air pressure.
yeah, we scheduled an emergency.
Decompression event. An oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. Start the flow box.
I need to think of a creative title, because that might be what worked for me last time.
Although the bag does not inflate, oxygen is flowing to your mask. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, cure your mask on first and then assist the other person.
There's no need to
Keep
be
your mask
angry.
on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against
You
your
know, I'm
thighs.
poor
Ensure
now,
your feet are flat
so
on the floor. A long
let's hope
vest
we get
is
something
located
good
in
from
the
this.
pouch under your seat or between the armrest. When instructed
Flight
to do
attendants,
so,
please be seated for
open the
takeoff.
plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist and adjust the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft.
No, it's happening. We're gonna have liftoff. We have liftoff. I do love planes. I mean, come on, they're so cool. Where's my suitcase gone? Oh, there it is. It's sticking through a wall. That's normal. Nope. Wait, yes. Alright. Towels! What?
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have
Since
reached our
when?
cruising altitude. The flight
When do I have
attendants
to
will
give them
start their in-flight
towels?
service shortly.
What
Sit
was that
back,
thing?
relax, and enjoy the flight.
Right. So needy these days, aren't they? Take a hot towel. It's not a question of would you like, it's a question. It's not even a question. No. Did you say no? That's offensive. My race. Feels much like racial abuse, don't you think? What do you mean, towel one? I'm very confused by all this new stuff, guys. Right, so we've done all the towels, apparently. Even though I'm not sure what's happening. By the way, I play on hard mode just so I can, Nobody asked you, Alexa. Just did it again.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck.
That's fine.
It
That's
looks
routine.
like we're going to experience
Normal.
some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
Totally not. Oh, that's not. It's getting less normal, guys. Rapidly less normal. This is cool. I mean, not for the poor passengers on board. You can be sure that it's really not that dark. Should we be concerned? Go into the cockpit and learn what's happening. Hello, hello, hello. Fighter jets? Well, this is getting cooler by the second. Oh my god. F-16? F-16. Wait, what? Oh, that's not good. Ensure every passenger's a blanket. Quickly! How do I give them blanket? Take blanket. Oh, it's getting blurry. Oh, what? Feels a bit racist. Your heat. Pilots need your help to restore the power. You're the only one who can do it, Link. Feels like a Zelda quest, I'm sorry. Yeah, that sounds safe. Press buttons and hope for the best. Oh, is that... Are we sure this is good? Are we sure this is good? Oh, something's working, question mark. F-16 is still there, that is pretty cool.
This is your first
Yes,
officer
Joe.
from the flight deck. Sorry about that, we just experienced a brief power failure. Everything's back online now, and the aircraft is operating perfectly normally. Thanks for your patience.
Ooh, it's actually got a... The devs have really been doing stuff for this game.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started
Sorry
our
that I didn't
initial
play this
descent
sooner.
and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Yeah, let's take some trash. Trash, because we're American now. No trash for me. I need trash. Anyone got any trash? I need good old-fashioned American trash.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
You know, I can't do this as easily. That's the problem, because I play hard mode. Please? Yep, thank you. What are they? Can you stow your tray table as well? I have forgotten so much, I'm sorry. I'd like to apologise for my dementia. That's not up. Oh, okay, she's ready to talk to. Alright, it's time. You're in my seat. Ugly little. Family friendly, family friendly, family friendly. Oh wait, it wasn't even my seat. Never mind. No need to crash out. Gears coming down. Let's get a good angle. Yeah, that looks cool. Which way? Oh yeah, this is better. Which has better? I do not speak Spanish, I do German and French, by the way. And a little bit of Japanese. First thrust. Captain's memories were already out there. That happened, I was not paying attention. really need a taxi, right, guys? It doesn't even do anything. Like, it was cool at first, and I mean, it's still cool. Just, I mean, like, Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed. The Eagle has landed. Open the doors. Open the doors. Ceremonial opening of the door. Alright, I guess we just go through and open all the other heads now. And, I mean, sorry guys, it'll probably be only the one flight. But I might do some grinding before the next video. So that we can actually see the rest of the stuff. I might, keyword. I'm sorry if I don't though. Either way. Alright. Is that everything? Apparently I've missed one. Yeah, here they are. Did I close all these ones or something? Quality, what? Not 5 stars? No. Oh wait, we do have 2 achievements, so I'll find where they are. There they are. I promise I'm still good at this game. They just also claim, don't they? Whatever. Alright, I guess that is the end of that video. If you did enjoy, like and sub. And hey, check out the rest of the videos on the channel, and especially if you made it all the way here, thank you. Have a nice day.